Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Dear students, kindly raise your hands जो सूरह फातिहा की तिलावत करेगा. सूरह फातिहा की तिलावत कौन करेगा क्लास में? Okay, Muiz Ali. Unmute yourself, Muiz, and recite Surah Fatiha. Welcome, Shanza Bukhari. Recite Surah Fatiha, Muiz. Okay, Shanza. Unmute yourself, Shanza. No voice. Abu Bakr Siddiqui. Unmute yourself and recite Surah Fatiha.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. As-siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin.
Ameen. Jazakallah. Very nice. Very good. I really appreciate you, Abu Bakr. Thank you so much. Okay, dear students, kindly take out your English literature notebook. Today we will do dictation sentences of Unit 1. Yesterday we have done dictation words. Today we will do dictation sentences. Okay. ओके जो आज ऑनलाइन हुए हैं ना, उनको मैं ये बताती चलूँ कि हमने हैंड राइटिंग पैटर्न, लेसन समरी एंड डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स किए हैं. सो काइंडली लीव 3 पेजेस फॉर द प्रीवियस वर्क के लिए 3 पेजेस छोड़ दें आप सब नहीं, जो आज ऑनलाइन हुए, जिन्होंने प्रीवियस काम कंप्लीट नहीं किया. ओके Okay, now all of you write down date and day on the top of the page. Today is Wednesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, C work, and the date is 22/7/20. Write down like this. Today is Wednesday and the date is 22. Hurry up. Now write in the first line with the margin line dictation DICTATION. Dictation sentences SENTENCES. There are 2 dictation sentences in this chapter. Hurry up, write down dictation sentences. Number 1 is write with the margin line WEV. जी डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स अगर किसी ने नहीं किए तो वो काइंडली पेजेस छोड़ दें. ओके V 1 finger gap RARE Mohammad Farhan Khan. Unmute yourself if you want to ask something, Mohammad Farhan. ओके, वी आर। बेटा अगर आप लोगों ने कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करना होता तो काइंडली आप लोग हैंड रेज मत किया करें, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्लास में फिर डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाती है। ओके, वी आर, वन फिंगर गैप, all, a double l, all, we are all, again one finger gap, very, v e r y, very, we are all very. Ji Mubashir, do you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
जी बेटा पूछे।
मैम अगर किसी ने काम नहीं किया तो वो कितने पेजेस छोड़ेगा?
आपने कौन सा काम नहीं किया, कल वाला? कितने दिनों से?
मैम पूछ।
अच्छा, जिन्होंने काम नहीं किया वो पेजेस छोड़ेंगे। ओके,
ओके मैम।
जी मोहम्मद वाफिक, डू यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग? वाफिक जी
मैम मैंने कल का काम नहीं किया।
एक पेज छोड़ दे बेटा, बस एक पेज छोड़ दे डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स के लिए।
ओके मैम।
Okay, now we are all very, go to the next line, excited, E-X-C-I-T-E-D, we are all very excited, one finger gap, जी शहबाज पूछें, excited today, T-O, T-O-D-A-Y. We are all very excited today. Okay, now write down number 2. Go to the next line, number 2, write in the margin line 2, V, W, E, V, V, one finger gap. जी शहबाज, do you want to ask something? मैसेज पर पूछे मुझसे अगर आपने कुछ पूछना है तो। V, one finger gap, lined, L-I-N-E-D, lined, V, lined, one finger gap, up, U-P, up, we lined up, one finger gap, again, A-G-A-I-N, again, we lined up again, A-G-A-I-N, again, go to the next line, and, A-N-D, and, we lined up again, and, one finger gap, walk, W-A-L-K-E-D, we lined up and walked, we lined up and walked, we lined up again and walked, one finger gap, back, B-A-C-K, back, we lined up again and walked back. If you have space, you can write in that line, but if you don't have space, you can go to the next line, okay? We lined up again and walked back to the, to T-O-2, the, T-H-E, the, one finger gap, CLASS, class. We lined up again and walked back to the class. There are two dictation sentences in this chapter. Number 1 is we are all very excited today. And number 2 is we lined up again and walked back to the class. I hope all of you have done this. Okay, raise your hands who have done this work. Raise your hands. Okay, very good, very good. Now turn the page and get ready for the dictation sentences. Turn the page and get ready for the dictation sentences. Get ready for the dictation sentences. Sorry, word sentences. Go to the next page. You will write it here, but I am going to write it here because so that you can see the word clearly. Write down the date. Today is Wednesday, WEDNESDAY. Today is Wednesday, C word, 22/7/20. Write down date and day on the top of the page. Then take a scale and draw a line for the word sentences. There are 3 word sentences in this chapter. Draw a line like this and give the heading of words, WORDS, words. एंड नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखें यहाँ पर वर्ड्स के सामने SENTENCES, वर्ड सेंटेंसेस. Wafiq, don't move here and there during class. Okay, number one is school. SCHOOL, school. Number 1 is school. Number 1 is school. Now write down the sentence of school. My, one finger gap, school, SCHOOL, school. One finger gap, name, NAME, name. My school name is, one finger gap, the knowledge school. T should be capital, THE, the. K should be capital, the knowledge, KNOWLEDGE. My school name is the knowledge school, SCHOOL. Write down the sentence of school. My school name is the knowledge school. Write down the sentence of school. My school name is the Knowledge School. The Knowledge first letter should be capital. T should be capital. Then give one finger gap. K should be capital. And then if you don't have space, go to the next line and write the school. School S should be capital. Now write down number 2. Number 2 is today. 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 Now write down the sentence of today. I one finger gap, am one finger gap, very, 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 I am very excited, excited. आप लोग अपने खुद सेंटेंस भी बना सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप लोग को एक्साइटेड के स्पेलिंग मुश्किल लग रहे हैं तो आप लोग हैप्पी भी लिख सकते हो. लाइक आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टुडे, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टुडे, आई एम वेरी नर्वस टुडे, आई एम वेरी, कुछ भी आप लोग यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो. अपनी फीलिंग्स शेयर करनी है ना. सो यहाँ पर मैं लिख रही हूँ आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टुडे. Today. Today. Now the last sentence is careful. 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 We have 2 minutes left, so that's why I'm going to write it speedy. The teacher, THE, the one finger gap, the teacher, TEACHER, the teacher, one finger gap, told me, TOLD, told me, me, to be, TO2, to be careful. Give one finger gap between each word. care, FUL, full. The teacher told me to be careful. There are 3 word sentences in this chapter. Number 1 is school. My school name is the Knowledge School. Number 2 is today. I am very excited today. Number 3 is careful. The teacher told me to be careful. Write it down, hurry up. I will send the picture of this work as well. Okay, class time is over. I'm going to send the picture of this work. Those who have still doing this work, you can copy it from the WhatsApp group. Okay, dear students, kindly take off yourself a lot. Do help your parents in any work. अपने parents की help किया करें. और ये बात है कि जल्दी सोया करें, सुबह मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठा करें, शॉवर लिया करें और फ्रेश होके न्यू मतलब साफ़ सुथरे कपड़े पहनकर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लिया करें. ओके, क्योंकि जब आप लोग फ्रेश नहीं होते तो आप लोग का इंटरेस्ट और आप लोग का सारा कंसंट्रेशन क्लास में नहीं रहता. सो टेक बाथ डेली and keep yourself clean. Okay dear students, take care. Allah Hafiz.